Just another beautiful afternoon in Fort Lauderdale. We got Captain Dave McKenzie with us. We're out for a little snook excursion. Let's see if the action picks up. So far this year the snook fishing's been a little weak, but it rained about, I don't know, 5 inches yesterday. So maybe that'll do the trick. And let's see what old Captain Dave brings to the table. I did switch from, first I was fishing for tarpon, then I switched to a 40-pound snook, and now I just switched up to 30-pound cubera. You gotta be focused. It's called targeting. Targeting my catch.
Is that duct tape? We're gonna go catch a 100-pound tarpon.
That's right. Just Dave embarrassed me last time he came out there with these like Iowa bass rods. So make sure he was set up this time. And maybe he'll get him a longer.
Wave spin. Hawaii 5-0 on the wave spin.